What we have are 2 fillets from German Butcher. Look how pretty they are. And what we're gonna do first is put a little oil on them. Just like, it doesn't have to be nice oil, but I only have 1 kind of oil, so that's what I'm using. Just get it like all around there. Oh, that's good. Put that there, every angle that you can. See, it's just nice and sloppy. Forrest hates this look. He's like, oh my god, you're touching the oil. Here's our steaks. Oh my god. Don't they look good? Okay, so what a reverse sear is when you have a low temperature. So it's like 275. And we're gonna cook these for about 45 minutes, and it's gonna be wall to wall pink, okay? So if you like your shit well done, you're not gonna like this, just stop watching, okay? And then after we cook it all the way through, then we sear it instead of the original, like, sear it first, which that's the only thing I've ever done. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven. Is there a faster way to do it? Yeah, but we got time. Okay, we got about 22 minutes on the steak until I check it. So in the meantime, we're gonna make a béarnaise sauce. So we're gonna start with some egg yolks. Okay, so you're gonna just plop those in your whatever kind of mixer you got. I think that this might not be the right tool, but I'm using it. So we're gonna go ahead and just mix that shit real good. Okay, weed moment. There's no blade in there. All right, I can't find the blade for this, which is retarded. So I found this thing. Hamilton Beach. I don't know what it is, but it does this. So we're doing it. So we're gonna go ahead and all right. My hands are tingly from that. Okay, you're gonna add a stick of butter. Just add a stick of butter to anything. It's delicious. Next, we're gonna add some shallots. That's a polar bear. It was International Polar Bear Day like a couple days ago, maybe a week ago. Polar bears are cute. We're gonna add some garlic. This is an Arctic fox, also cute. We're gonna add some tarragon, chopped tarragon. This is a walrus. Little like Arctic creatures theme going on. And this gives it the distinct flavor apparently. And some white wine vinegar. It's looking like a béarnaise now. Béarnaise mountain dog. Right here. Mmm. It's like very twangy. I kind of want it a little richer and creamier, you know? Maybe another egg yolk. I'm putting another egg in it. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm still gonna get that one. It says 136. I kind of want it 140, 145. In the meantime, I got some green beans going that I didn't make at all, and I'm just reheating from German Butcher. Woo. Okay, here comes the reverse sear part. They have cooked in the oven for about 45 minutes on a low temperature, so we want to get like a nice crust all around it. So I'm just gonna put it like 30 seconds each side. Gonna go ahead and turn that down and turn on the fan. Hi, so we have our seared steak with our side of vegetables. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is top it with some crab meat. Now I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with this because he didn't say, so I just heated it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on top like this. Very liberal. And then we're gonna take our yummy sauce. Just go ahead and pour that on top. I feel like this is not gonna pour well. Oh my god. That's decadent. I want more. The knife, please. Okay, wall to wall pink. Let's see if I did it. Wall to wall. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty good though. A little darker than his, but actually I kind of wanted it a little darker than his. His was like really rare for my taste. All right, let's have a bite. Get that crab meat in there, the sauce, everything. That was pretty banging. Wow. I like it. Someone else is eating it also.
Very good.